Okay, so myself Pramod. So today now we are going to learn about basics of Datadog for creating different dashboards and configuring our own Datadog agent in our local system. So this is the landing page. Once you are done with registering, you can log in with your email ID and password. The main thing here is just keep in mind whatever region you are selecting here, same region should be there in YAML file afterwards. By default it will be there, but by any chance if any other region gets shown there in YAML, then we need to change it to this particular region we are using while registering to Datadog. So let's log in. So once you are logged in, you will be landing on this particular page. Now we will learn how you are going to configure Datadog agent into our local system, so that that particular agent will be fetching different stats and matrices from our local Windows system. As I'm working on Windows system, so I will be configuring Windows system for my Windows system. So for that you need to click on your profile here at the bottom, then under organization setting you will be seeing an option called API keys. Click on it. So before configuring your agent, you need to create one API key. So you can click here on new key and automatically this API key will be generated. And go to this integrations part and click on integrations. Click on fleet automation. Here click on install agents and then go for whatever system you have. Let's assume that you have Windows system. Click on that, and here you will be getting a PowerShell command to install an agent into your local system. So for that, copy this whole command, paste in Notepad, and replace this XXX with your own API key that you have already copied from Datadog. And once that is done, hit that particular command on PowerShell, and within few seconds that agent will be configured in your local system. You can check the status of your agent by clicking on, by hitting this particular command. So when that command is hit, so you will be able to see the output as API key and all this. If you are able to see this particular output, means your agent is successfully configured. Now let's create our own dashboard, and let's see how this agent is fetching the data for monitoring purpose. So here click on dashboard, and here under dash here click on new dashboard. Here we will be getting two options, new time board and new screen board. So if number of members, like team is working on a particular dashboard and they want a big screen, and on that big screen they want to view their dashboard, then you can go for this new screen board option. Otherwise you can create here new time board option. Okay, once you click it, this you will be landing on this page. Here is a blank dashboard. Here we can add different widgets from this list. These are time series graphs. You can hit different queries. You can get top values of different matrices, etc. So let's add time series. Okay, so as we can see here, we can fetch data for different time period for 15 minutes. If you select past 15 minutes, it will be fetching data from last 15 minutes only. So this was the last 15 minute data for our CPU. Here we can see what matrices it is actually fetching data for. So here this is the way we can tell Datadog that what matrices we want to fetch. So here we are fetching CPU stats for last 15 minutes. So it went up to the CPU uses went up to 69% at 1955, means 7:55 around 8 p.m. and then it went down and now it's constantly using around 20%. So yeah, some few heavy application must be launched, that is why it went up and then again it went down. So likewise we can create our Datadog dashboards. We can add different matrices here and create our own dashboard. Okay, so this was the one way to add any widget from right hand side. We can go to if you want, if you have your own APM servers installed, you can directly fetch it here, and even you can go to monitors. Okay, and here you will be getting an option to monitor different matrices, or let's go to matrices itself. Okay, and here Explorer. So suppose this particular matrices, like this is CPU user, you want to export directly to your dashboard. We can click here on export, then copy, and we can go to our own dashboard. Okay, this was the dashboard we have just created. Click on it and just Control V, paste it here. So the same thing that we have copied from matrices, we pasted here. So we didn't have to create it on our own. So likewise you can go to any of these sections, and whatever matrices you that section has, we can export it here directly by copy and pasting it. So likewise we have here query values also. So we can give different queries here, like we give in SQL and fetch different data according to our query. So that is how we create our own dashboard. You can customize it. You can directly use Datadog's already created standard dashboards, or create our own dashboard by using these options, widget options. Or let's go to this dashboard list. These are the different standard dashboards. These are given by Datadog for free. We can directly use it. These are the standard dashboard for different things. So like this dashboard will be giving us the host count, then different host matrices, and likewise. So you can directly use this dashboard also. So let's see this particular dashboard. From this dashboard we want this custom matrices count, anything we can, like we did before, we can copy it and we can go to our own dashboard and paste it here. So likewise, as I said, we haven't configured our APM agent. So this dashboard is related to APM matrices, so that is why it's not fetching. So we have only our Windows system agent configured, so it will be only fetching for now our system matrices only. So that is how we can create our own customized dashboards and even use already created standard Datadog dashboards. So yeah, that was all about how we can configure our own agent to our local system and then create dashboards and monitor data accordingly.